In this video, I will show you how you can fix the ghost touch problem on any Samsung tablet. Now first of all, if you have applied any screen protector on your tablet, just remove it. And after that, just clean the screen of your tablet using a soft cloth and check if your issue is fixed or not. And also avoid using your tablet while your hands are wet because this can cause touch issues. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just perform a restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. Now from here, just select restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the ghost touch problem. But if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the control center again and tap on the power icon. Now this time, just tap and hold on the power off icon. And after you see the safe mode icon, just tap on it. Now just wait for a couple of seconds until your tablet enters into safe mode. Once your tablet enters into safe mode, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If the ghost touch problem has been fixed after you have entered into safe mode, then this means that the third-party app on your tablet is causing this issue. Now to fix this issue, just go to settings, and in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this app list, just look for any third-party app which you have installed recently. Now after you find the app, just tap on the app and select uninstall. Now just do that for any suspicious app which you don't remember installing, and also delete any apps which you have installed recently. Now after you do that, then just perform a restart on your tablet to turn off safe mode and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to settings, but this time just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on software update. From here, just tap on check for new update. Now if you have any update available, just update the software of your tablet, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on general management. From here, just tap on reset. And on this page, just select reset all settings. Tap on reset settings. Now it might ask you to enter your lock screen PIN, and after that, just tap on reset. And after you do that, you will reset all the settings of your tablet to the default. Now this option will not delete any data of your tablet. It will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the ghost touch problem on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.